Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Today we're making a classic stir-fry, beef with mushroom and hoisin sauce. Simple ingredients, fast cooking, and deep flavor. Perfect for weeknight meals or quick entertaining. This dish has roots going back to the Han Dynasty in Guangdong Province, southern China. Hoisin sauce itself is a fermented bean-based condiment used across Chinese cuisine. As your document notes, hoisin sauce is a versatile seasoning used in a wide variety of dishes, adding flavor and juiciness. It's used for marinades, stir-fries, and iconic dishes like Peking duck and spring rolls. Today we're using it to build a rich, savory glaze for beef and mushrooms. Let's walk through the ingredients. Thinly sliced beef, cut cross-grain for tenderness. Mushrooms. Any variety works, but choose ones with good moisture and texture. Garlic, ginger, and green onion for aromatics. Sesame oil, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce for flavor. Tapioca starch for velveting the beef and thickening the sauce. Start by marinating the beef by adding soy sauce and tapioca starch. Mix well, and place it in the fridge until you need it. This step helps tenderize the beef and gives it that silky restaurant-style texture. Heat your wok and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add ginger and garlic. Stir-fry quickly until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the beef and stir-fry for about 2 minutes. Remove the beef and set it aside. We'll return it later. Add mushrooms to the heated wok, adding a bit more oil if needed. Stir-fry until they soften and release moisture. Add sesame oil and hoisin sauce. This builds the core flavor. Add water and simmer covered for 3 minutes. Return the cooked beef to the wok. Add the starch solution to thicken the sauce. Stir until everything is glossy and well-coated. Finish with chopped green onions and serve immediately. This dish is fast, flavorful, and deeply rooted in Chinese culinary tradition. Perfect with steamed rice or noodles. Give it a try and customize it with your favorite mushroom varieties or spice levels.